Hello, this is Looking Forward for Physics 201 for Wednesday, the 7th of February, 2018. As you get ready for class on Wednesday, I'd like you to finish reading sections 3.1 to 3.5 of your book, and then read 3.9 through 316 of your book. I'd like you to think about the following questions. If we describe some vector, let's say it's vector A here, we can describe it in terms of its x part, a sub x, and its y part, a sub y. We could also, of course, describe it in terms of its magnitude, or the size of that vector, and the angle theta. Now imagine that we have the complex plane, the real part here on the x-axis, the imaginary part here on the y-axis. I've got some complex number z here, where this is the real part of z. And the y part here is the imaginary part of z. Could I also describe this in cylindrical coordinates? Well, what I need to know in order to describe this particular complex number, and how would I go about finding them? The second question has to deal with series. Remind yourself of what the series for sine of theta is. Remind yourself of what the series for cosine theta is. And remind yourself what the series e to the x is. Do you see anything interesting about sine, cosine, and e to the x? We'll talk about those things and more when we get together on Wednesday. See you then.